Section formula. Before we understand the section formula, let us quickly understand the meaning of division of a line segment. So, let's consider a line segment AB of length 10 cm. If we take a point P on line segment AB in such a way that the length of AP is 7 cm and the length PB is 3 cm, then we can say that point P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 7:3. This is known as division of a line segment. Now let's come to the main question. What is a section formula? It is a formula which helps us to find the coordinates of the point on a line segment that divides the segment in a given ratio. To understand this formula, consider a line segment AB in a coordinate plane. Let us take the coordinates of point A as x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B as x2, y2. Consider a point P having coordinates x, y that divides the line segment AB in the ratio m:n. Then, according to section formula, coordinates of point P is given as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This means that the value of x coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and the value of y coordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. All we need to know is the coordinates of the endpoints and the ratio. And by feeding in their values in this formula, we can find the coordinates of the point that is dividing the line segment in the given ratio. This is known as the section formula.